What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to D Television. I'm just dropping in real quick. I want to share something with you guys. I got the Garmin. I own the Garmin Fenix 3 HR, but what we're doing today is going to show you how to replace the bands. I'm pretty sure most of you know it. But I bought the 6-pack. I bought a 6-pack and a, I'll just leave the link in the description what I bought, but I ended up with all of these several packs, several bands. So I'm just gonna replace them, and all you need is the quick tool, and this is gonna be good for the Garmin Fenix 3, Fenix 5X, also the 5X Plus, the D2 Delta PX, and the Decent. It's gonna be decent, but luckily for you, because I don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna be able to leave the title. So you just take a look at the title and you'll be able to see what each one of these are for. So it's a multicolor band. Let's just get into it right quick. This is plain and simple. So it should come with your tool. And as you can see, mine's broke right there. Just snapped right off. This was an older, and this is actually pretty hard. So I could even feel through the plastic that this is a softer and better band. They upgraded this over the years, and fresh. They put the Ziploc on it to keep it fresh. That's supposed to be a joke. All right, so you take your tool. It comes with It comes with a tool. And for those who don't know, I'm gonna put it back just the way mine was. Gotta have like one will spin. So I think the jeweler gets paid big money for this. This would be a shame if this doesn't work. All right, so one of these are coming off. I guess it's best to hold it flat on the bottom. So you're learning with me. Make some space so you can work. This one is actually camouflage, but I'm gonna save that for later. So it's real simple. It's real simple, guys. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. Sorry, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Anyway, make sure you don't lose that. You're gonna find that's very important. Push it through. You use the tool to push yours through. All right, so one down because we want to remember which side it goes on. And there it is. You want to stick around to the next video. Or you want to watch me to see. This might be like a two-man job, guys. So I'm still rocking the Fenix 3 HR, and I probably should have upgraded by now, but I haven't because this one serves me so well. This watch is probably it's gotta be like 10 years old, man. But Garmin has come out with some other fantastic watches. But I've paid so much for this watch. I'm like, man, I ain't buying another one. So of course you slip that through. You want to slip the long one through. I probably should take time to clean all that out, but that's not what this is about. Just want to see how well the new band fits. But again, this should be this should work for all those watches that are named, I believe, all the 5 series. So while you guys are listening and watching, probably should have found a way to hold this down. In my opinion, don't wrench this down, because if you do, you're gonna have a tough time getting it off. That's what I've had in the past. And make sure the curved side is on the outside if you're doing it upside down. So the curved side should be on the face of the watch side. Find your hole, work it through. And actually, I love the way this band feels already. This band feels pretty good. So it's quite the upgrade. And that's pretty much it. I would take that. Tweezers might work. That actually went in, started. Make sure you don't strip the threads, guys. And there you go. Sometimes I go backwards a little bit to make sure the thread has found its way. Just snug it up. Just don't wrench it down and strip it. There it is, almost like a brand new watch. That fits pretty good. Actually, that fits very nicely. Because that fits so well, and I didn't know, and that works very nice. I didn't know how much my other bands sucked. All right, peace. Later, guys.